Making smart decisions, mastering the art of weighing pros and cons. Hello, English learners. Welcome to a new video in our Debates and Discussions series. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill in critical thinking and analysis, decision-making based on pros and cons. We will focus on how to choose the best option by evaluating the positives and negatives. This ability is not only useful in debates but also in our daily life. To make a well-informed decision, we need to evaluate both the positive aspects, pros, and the negative aspects, cons, of each available option. The purpose of weighing the pros and cons is to view a decision from all possible angles, promoting a more comprehensive understanding. The first step in our decision-making process is to list down the pros and cons of each option. Take a sheet of paper and divide it into two columns. On one side, write the heading, Pros, and on the other side, Cons. Jot down as many points as you can think of in each column. Remember, no point is too small or insignificant to include. Next, we need to evaluate each point on our list. Not all pros and cons carry the same weight. For example, cost might be a more significant factor than color when buying a car. Assign a score to each pro and con based on its importance, with a higher number for more critical factors. After assigning scores, calculate the total for the pros and the cons separately. This gives us 2 scores for each option. The higher the pro score and the lower the con score, the better the option. Now, it's time to make the decision. Compare the scores of all your options. The one with the highest pro score and the lowest con score is typically the best choice. However, remember to consider your personal feelings and intuition as well. Decision-making is not only about numbers but also about your emotions and values. And that's a wrap on how to make decisions based on pros and cons. Practice this method with small everyday decisions to become comfortable with it, and then apply it to more significant choices in your life. Remember, thoughtful decision-making is a skill that improves with practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.